Welcome to Fact Attack. Did you know that if you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it could stretch to Pluto and back 17 times? Or that black holes are so powerful they can crush entire planets? And what about the mystery of alien life? Could we have actually received a signal from deep space? Stay tuned as we dive into some of the most mind-blowing facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. The weight of a cloud. A single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Despite their fluffy appearance, clouds are incredibly heavy. A large cloud can contain over 1,000,000 pounds of water, illustrating the immense weight of these skyward masses. The longest time between twin births. The longest time between the births of twins is 87 days. In this exceptional case, doctors kept one twin in the womb after the other was born prematurely, resulting in a record for the longest time between the births of twins. The marvel of bee labor. It takes 12 bees their entire lifetime to produce just 1 teaspoon of honey. The production of honey is an incredibly labor-intensive task. It takes the collective effort of many bees throughout their entire lifetimes to make just a small amount of honey. Sharks. Prehistoric survivors. Sharks predate trees by millions of years. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, far longer than trees, which evolved around 350 million years ago. Sharks are among the oldest surviving species on Earth. Humans and bananas. An unexpected genetic link. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. While humans are obviously much more complex than bananas, it is surprising that we share a significant portion of our genetic material with them, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life. Butterflies. Tasting through their feet. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet that allow them to detect the chemicals in plants, helping them determine if a plant is suitable for laying eggs. The Eiffel Tower's summer stretch. The Eiffel Tower can grow up to 6 inches during the summer. Due to the expansion of the metal in warmer temperatures, the Eiffel Tower can increase in height during particularly hot weather, showcasing the dynamic nature of large structures. Octopuses and their heartbreaking biology. Octopuses possess 3 hearts. 2 of the octopus's hearts are responsible for pumping blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when the octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body ceases to function. Bananas and strawberries, a botanical surprise. Bananas are classified as berries, but strawberries are not. According to botanical definitions, bananas meet the criteria to be considered berries, as they develop from a single ovary. However, strawberries do not meet this definition, which classifies them as aggregate fruits instead. Octopuses, masters of disguise. An octopus can change both its color and texture. Using specialized cells known as chromatophores, octopuses can alter both their color and texture to blend into their environment, providing them with an unparalleled ability to camouflage. Honey, nature's eternal preserver. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have uncovered pots of honey in ancient tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This is due to honey's natural preservative properties, which prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. Wombats and their unusual feces. Wombats produce cube-shaped feces. Wombats are known for their extraordinary, cube-like droppings. This unusual shape prevents the feces from rolling away and aids in territorial marking. Cleopatra and the Great Pyramid. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the first moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid was built around 2500 BCE, while Cleopatra lived in the 1st century BCE, making her closer in time to the 1969 moon landing than to the pyramid's construction. The longest hiccup spree. The longest bout of hiccups lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne, from the United States, suffered from continuous hiccups for more than 6 decades, from 1922 until 1990, setting a world record for the longest known case of hiccups. The moon's illusion. A full moon appears 14% larger when it's near the horizon. This phenomenon, known as the moon illusion, makes the moon appear much larger when it's close to the horizon compared to when it's higher up in the sky. This optical illusion has fascinated people for centuries. The curious rotation of Venus. A day on Venus lasts longer than its year. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis, and one complete day on Venus, a full rotation, takes longer than the time it takes for the planet to orbit the Sun. This means a day on Venus is longer than its year. Human DNA. A vast connection. There is enough DNA in the human body to stretch from the Sun to Pluto and back 17 times. If you were to unravel all the DNA in a single human body, it would span an incredible 10 billion miles, enough to make the journey from the Sun to Pluto and back 17 times. Lightning. A fiery force. A lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the Sun, while the surface of the Sun reaches temperatures of around 10 degrees Fahrenheit. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures of up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, making it significantly hotter than the Sun itself. Are aliens real? A fascinating mystery. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are in the habitable zone, where life could exist. In 1977, a mysterious radio signal called the WOW signal was detected from deep space, but its origin remains unknown. Could it have been from extraterrestrials? Can a black hole swallow Earth? A black hole is one of the most powerful objects in the universe, but can it actually swallow Earth? The good news is that black holes don't move around the galaxy eating planets at random. However, if a black hole the size of a small city replaced the Sun, it would pull Earth and the entire solar system into its darkness, stretching and crushing everything beyond recognition. Luckily, the closest known black hole is about 1,500 light-years away, so we're safe for now. That's it for today's episode of Fact Attack. If you enjoyed learning these amazing facts, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment letting us know which fact was your favorite and which one was new to you. Also, tell us what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.